Alpha Plastics has a professionally designed place to assemble all parts. From manufacturing parts to metallizing, we're doing everything under one roof. This is how we assembled HeadLight for Millat Tractor Limited. We make sure to assemble all parts perfectly. We make sure to provide our best services to all our clients. We have a quality department to check all types of quality tests. Shower test, vibration test, dust test, heat test, bolt voltage test, and chemical test. We have a capacity to produce 10,000 pieces on daily basis. Because our customers deserve the best.